Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. These two proceedings before the full bench are on reference made under Section 89 bracket 2 of the Bihar Reorganization Act 2000. Stop. The object of the reference is to determine whether by virtue of Section 89 bracket 1 of the Act the criminal cases commonly known as the animal husbandry scam cases stand transferred to the court in Jharkhand, the newly created state of Jharkhand, or whether those cases would continue to proceed before the special court at Patna where they were instituted and where they have been hitherto proceeding. Stop. According to Section 89 bracket 1 of the Act, upon the creation of the state of Jharkhand, every proceeding pending before a court in this state shall stand transferred to the corresponding court in Jharkhand if it is a proceeding relating exclusively to the territory of Jharkhand. Stop. Subsection bracket 2 of Section 89 provides that if a question arises as to whether any proceedings should stand transferred under subsection bracket 1, it would be referred to the Patna High Court and the decision of this court would be final. Stop. It is well known by an order passed by a bench of this court the investigation of all the animal husbandry cases was made over to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Stop. Further, by an order passed by the Supreme Court, the investigation by the CBI was put under the overall control and supervision of a bench of this court. Stop. The matter thus periodically comes before the monitoring bench of this court. Stop. On one such occasion, the matter came up before the monitoring bench on 10/11/2000, that is to say, 5 days before the new state of Jharkhand was to come into being under the Bihar Reorganization Act. Stop. On that date, the monitoring bench recorded an order simply adjourning the matter to 12/1/2000 with the direction to the agency to file the progress report as usual. Stop. The CBI then filed a petition before the Supreme Court seeking clarification of its order dated 19/3/1996 consequent upon reorganization of the state of Bihar and stating that the petition was being filed pursuant to the oral observation made by the monitoring bench of the Patna High Court monitoring the animal husbandry department scams, whereby the bench on 10/11/2000 directed the Central Bureau of Investigation to seek the clarification from the Honorable Court. The order of this Honorable Court dated 19/3/1996 with regard to further monitoring. Stop. In paras 6 and 7 of that petition, it was represented before the Supreme Court as follows. It is submitted that out of the 61 cases registered by Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), so far 52 cases stand deemed to be transferred to the corresponding courts in the new state of Jharkhand. Stop. Thus, the monitoring bench has sought clarification as to whether the monitoring bench still have jurisdiction to monitor the investigation of the aforesaid 52 cases also, or a separate monitoring bench will have to be constituted by Honorable High Court of Jharkhand for the aforesaid period. Stop. It will be appropriate to indicate here that at that time, out of the 52 cases which according to the CBI stood transferred to Jharkhand by virtue of Section 89 bracket 1 of the Act, in 35 cases the Special Court at Patna had already passed orders taking cognizance on the basis of charge sheets submitted by the CBI In one case, though charge sheet was submitted by the CBI, the court was yet to take cognizance, and in the remaining 16 cases, the CBI was yet to submit charge sheets. Full stop. Over.